Hey everyone, happy week 2. So for this week's discussion, I kind of did a combination of most of the questions. The first one that I chose was, how did the reading align with or challenge your previous understanding of writing? So this week's reading definitely challenged me, and it challenged my previous understanding of writing. And I learned a lot that I really don't know as much as I thought I did about writing. And one example of that is with commas. I previously used commas when I thought that it would be a natural pause in a sentence. And that's obviously not correct. And when I do write, I usually try to write as if I'm speaking to someone. And so I have that natural pause, which is where I would put in the comma, but that obviously is incorrect also. So apparently I am very comma crazy. I also learned to look out for that usage and to question whether or not it's necessary when I'm writing. Another thing tip that I learned is to write out my story. This makes it a lot easier, especially to reread it and proofread it. And also when writing the story, pretend like you're writing the story for someone next to you, and ask yourself what you need to do to grab that person's attention. And does it make sense? And obviously proofreading, definitely something that is a good thing to do, which I did do, but not probably as well as I should have. So there's something for me to work on. And just because I know what I want to say doesn't mean that the person's going to understand what I'm trying to get across. So I need to make it not so complicated, which I like to do. And just keep things simple. Not only not making it but by not making it complicated as well. And just apply the basic math rules. The more complicated I make my writing, the more the equation 1 + 1 = 3 becomes true, which is obviously not true. So just keep it simple and just there's a saying, and I'm not sure where I heard this, probably from a TV show. It's KISS, keep it simple, stupid. That's something that's definitely going to be on my mind when I'm writing, and making sure that it is simple, but it makes sense and it grabs my reader's attention. So yeah, I did learn a lot this week from the writing, just kind of starting from ground zero and working my way back up and just kind of trying to forget some of the previous rules that I thought I knew that are incorrect now, because everything changes, and I just need to roll with it. So yeah, I wish everyone a great week ahead.